Hello everyone, welcome back to this session. In last session we have seen how to change the font size and the font type. Today in this session we are going to talk about changing the font style and changing the font color. Okay, so without any further ado, let us start the video. So first of all, let me open my Word document. Okay, this is my Word document. Now you can open the MS Word in many ways, like, so you have to click the start button, all programs, search for Microsoft Office, and then click on Microsoft Office Word. Okay, I'll repeat the step by zooming in. Okay, so first of all you have to click the start button, which is over here. Then click the all program button, which is over here. Okay, and then check for or look for Microsoft Office. Inside that, click okay, click the Office, and then click the Microsoft Office Word, that is this option, Microsoft Office Word. In this way you can open your document, but I have my document already, so I'll open that. So I'll undo all the changes first of all. So this is my normal text. I will just increase the size so that you can see this, right? Let me take it to the 16 points. So I have kept the font 16 so that you can see. I think it is visible, it is quite visible. So dear students, how many font styles are there, that I am going to tell you first. In Microsoft Word there are 3 font styles. The first font style is bold. Okay, I will show you. The first font style is bold. Second font style is italic, and third font style is underline. Remember this. The B is abbreviation for bold, I is abbreviation for italic, and U is abbreviation for underline. Now one by one I will show you. First of all, to apply these font styles you have to select the text. How to select the text now? Take the cursor to the beginning of line or wherever you want to select the text, and then click the button and take the cursor over that particular sentence. So I have selected these 2 lines. Now I will make it bold. How to make it bold? Simply click on this bold option. This option is present under home tab. Okay, and in font group this option is present, bold, italic, underline. All these 3 options are available. So I'll click bold. Observe the result. The text has now become darker. Now this effect is called as bold. I hope you understood this. Let me select another 3 lines. Now I want to make it italic. How to make it italic? To apply the particular font style, that is italic, simply click the option, I option, that is italic option, right? So I will click this italic option. What happened? Just observe the result. The text is now slanted towards right side. Okay, in few extent. Okay, this is called as italic effect. Now what is the underline effect? Let me select this 3 lines, and then what you have to do, click this underline button. Okay, so this is the underline effect. Okay, so bold, italic, and underline. Fine. Now I'll tell you how to change the font color, and then we will stop this session. To change the font color, first of all you have to select the text as I did before. Select the text and then click this option. This option is called as font color. It is available in home tab, font group. So let me show you by zooming in. Home tab and font group is this. Just click the arrow mark after A. So I will click this arrow mark and let me change the color to red color. Okay, again let me select the next two lines and click over here the arrow mark after the A symbol. Yes, arrow mark is here only, right? And then you have to take this black. Okay, so it became blue now. So I hope you understood today's session. Next part we will take afterwards. Take care. Bye.